Alrighty guys, today you're going to do the Mania WebQuest, and I have it here to load in a new window, so you'll need to click on this tab here, and that should bring you up to a Google Doc that will look like this. It's about 2 pages long, and I'm going to go over the instructions first. I'm not actually going to do it for you in the video though. So this first part here, you're going to need to define these terms. So just do a regular Google search. See what morphologically means: substrate, holdfast, biophyte, motile, and germinate. You're then going to describe the general structure of a moss. You can add a diagram in here if you'd like, and explain how a moss reproduces. So what steps do they go through? Now for the next question here, you can go to this link. If you highlight that, it'll take you to a page. It's going to look like this. And you're going to list and describe 3 places moss are typically found. Looking at this here, what are mosses like? Where do you find mosses? So it's all going to be right here in this paragraph here. And they also have the structure if you'd like to use this for your first question as well. You can either use the link above or do a Google search to answer questions 3 through 6. So why was it a struggle for plants to move to land? What do mosses called biophytes lack? Why is moss limited and how tall it can be, and adaptations that they had to overcome. You might be able to find some of the answers in here, such as in this moss evolution portion, and also this will talk about how they create baby mosses, but it would be best for you to just do a regular Google search to answer those couple questions. For 8 through 10, you can use this website over here. Mosses and liverworts. It talks about how they're limited in sizes. Which is pretty much what you're answering here. Mosses, liverworts, and hornworts, which are collectively called the biophytes, vascular or non-vascular. Give 2 reasons why all biophytes are short in stature, which would come right from that little section. But don't just list the words, make sure you actually explain it. And do they have roots? Some of those answers you'll also find back on the first website as well. That's it for the Mania WebQuest. Just wanted to go over the instructions because sometimes things aren't all that clear if you're just reading things online. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you later.